Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me? Okay, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss blood relation part 2. So just recap the previous class. So what we discussed at verbal reasoning, it comes under the verbal reasoning, and different topics also in verbal reasoning, and then types of questions. So what type of questions they will ask in blood relations, and then basic concept. What is related? I mean, what comes under relation? What's a blood relation comes under? By birth, one relation, and after marriage, in-law relations, right? And then notations. For male, you can write plus, you can take symbol of square box, or for female, you can make a circle or minus. Unmarried couple, the both equal, and same generation, sister or brother, you just give a straight line. Even cousin also, okay. And gender gap. Gender gap always you have to show in straight away, okay, like this. Okay, this way gender gap, okay. And then key points. Gender definition. Gender definition is nothing but don't judge by name, it is which gender it is, okay. Don't judge a gender by seeing the name, okay. That may be consider male or female. You surely, if you know that that is a female only or male only, then you have to consider the gender, okay. And key points, another one is gender gap. So don't forget to gender gap, that's you, your father and your child, okay. So 3 generations will be maximum, 3 generations will ask in the questions. And one more important, draw the family diagram, okay. Draw the family diagram. And yesterday we saw that a few relations, right? Do you remember? Oh, this one. Oh, mother's father, his grandfather, mother's father and mother's father, our father's mother, okay. Mother's mother and father's mother is grandmother. Mother's father, okay. Mother's brother, uncle. Mother's and father's sister, aunt. And this is, if father's own sister means paternal aunt. If mother's own brother is maternal uncle, okay. Wife, father, husbands, and father-in-law, mother-in-law, daughter-in-laws. So daughter-in-law also, son's wife is comes under daughter-in-law. Wife, sorry, daughter's husband is son-in-law, and husband and wife is brother-in-law. So up to this we discussed, I think so, yesterday, okay. Just this for recapping, okay. It's the same thing. So square box and circle, you can denote anything now. Notation is not a fixed one, so that's just understanding purpose. If you're understanding in your own way, then you can write anything, okay. Now first question is simple. Draw your family diagram. How we are going to draw the family diagram? First, my family diagram. See, here it is me, okay, And I'm just denoting like boxes. Actually, I prefer to denote only plus only. And generation, second generation, the third generation. My father. Just you people just draw your family diagram. Mother. Sorry. And then mother and father, me and my wife, children. Now say in this family, how many members is there total? In this, how many members is there in total? 6 members. So how many females? How many males? How many generations? No, I'll add some more thing. Now, in total family, how many members is there? Ten members. Okay. So out of this, how many brother and sisters is there in family? Total family. How many brother and sisters is there? Brother, sister. Three. I'm asking brother and sisters. Two. Okay. Two. Okay. And here is one brother and here is one sister, brother and sister, and brother and sister. Okay, this is considered as a both are brothers only. Okay, I'm asking only for brother and sister. How many married couples is there in this family totally? How many married couples? Okay. For this, I just round up that one thing. Oh, sorry. For this person, how related to this person? I'm asking this person, how related to this person? From here to here relation, I'm asking. Okay, and here, one more thing. This person, no, yeah. For this person, how related to this person? This person, how related to this person? Mamaya, say in English, ma. I'm asking Purnima. Purnima says, see, I'm just for that only I'm asking. See, this person, how related to this person? It's both is different. This person related to this person is son-in-law. You are right, Purnima. Okay. And here I'm asking how this person related to this person. This guy. Uncle, Akhileshwar, yesterday we discussed. So here uncle means, yeah, father-in-law. Uncle means your mother or father's brother. Okay. Here, this person is husband of this person. Okay, this girl. Okay. And this girl is daughter of this guy. Okay. So he is his wife's father. Wife's father is father-in-law. Okay, father-in-law. Clear? Now, from this only you need to understand everything first of all. I'll check. How this person related to this person? Someone said, and okay. For this person, I'm asking reverse one. Okay. So how this person, how related to this person? No, sorry. Wait. Reverse. This person, how related to this person? In reverse. Niece. Yeah. Niece. Don't say Mamaya. Okay, Pawan. I'm asking in reverse order. Okay. So this girl, how related to this person? Okay. This is niece. Okay, nice. And how these two are related. These two persons are related. How these two persons are related. Cousin, yes, cousin. So this person is to this person is cousin. This person to this person is cousin. Now just observe this. This family diagram is more than enough to understand the relations. Actually, see, I'll show you. So here, father, mother, son, dad, sorry, daughter-in-law, in-law, okay, in-law, and here for this person. For this is a son, and for this it is a grandson. He is a grandson and grandson. And okay, we'll take one more thing here. From according to this couple, this is son and daughter-in-law and grandson and grandson. Okay, and then so according to this couple, here daughter, son-in-law, okay, and according to this, grandchildren only, grandson, granddaughter, okay, granddaughter. Now, according to this couple, so this is the relations, right? According to this couple, okay, father and mother and his son, his daughter-in-law and his grandson, and here daughter's husband is son-in-law, and daughter's son, grandson, and daughter's daughter, granddaughter. Okay, so this is according to this couple. The same thing according to this couple, so everyone how related. Okay, so according to this couple, he is a father, mother, wife, son, and sister, brother-in-law. Observe this. Okay, sister's wife. So this person's sister's husband, brother-in-law. Okay, and this person, nephew, and this is niece. Okay, niece and nephew. Clear? Okay, according to this couple. Now, according to this couple, see. According to this person, son, daughter, brother, sister-in-law. This is sister-in-law, and father, mother, and here nephews. Both are nephews. Okay, clear? Okay, come to this generation. So according to these two boys, so father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, okay, and paternal aunt, PA, paternal aunt and uncle. So here, paternal aunt husband is called as uncle only, but don't think so. This relation never ask. This relation never ask this relation. This relation will ask. So these women, how related to these boys? They will ask like this, but not they cannot ask like this woman's husband how related to these persons. If they ask also, that is uncle only. Okay, and so from this side, so he is a cousin, and here also cousin only. No cousin brother, no cousin sister, cousin, that's it. Okay. And according to these people, according to these children, so mother, father, and then cousins. So cousin, and maternal uncle. See, the both is different. From these two children point of view, this woman is paternal aunt, father's sister. According to these children, so mother's brother who will maternal uncle, and aunt, okay, aunt, and then grandfather, grandmother, same. Okay. According to this guy, only check with this guy. So wife, and daughter and son is both will be different. Check. Why I'm according to this is separately I'm saying. So according to this person is brother-in-law. Now this person become brother-in-law, and brother-in-law's wife in Telugu it is a sister actually, right? So sister we call as a sister, but here there is no relation. They will never ask like this, but if you ask also it is a sister-in-law only. Okay, and here we cannot say exactly. So this one, these two, we cannot say proper way. Okay, and here father-in-law according to this person. So this guy is father-in-law, and this mother-in-law. Okay. Now according to this, his wife. Okay, children, son, father-in-law, mother-in-law. Okay, and here brother's sister-in-law. Okay, that's it. Up to that you have to take. So this never asked like this. Okay, clear? I think it's looks like a Chinese language only. So I think you people understood. I hope you people understood. Okay, this is how you have to draw the family diagram first of all. Okay, then you can easily understood. So what you are doing first. Okay. Now we'll start basic questions. Then we'll move for the medium level and the hard level. Okay. Then chalo. First question is for you. I hope you understand, guys. That one, everything. Come to the first question. When Amit saw Manoj, so don't judge here. Amit is male and Manoj is male. Okay. After this, reading this, you have to decide. He recalled. Who recalled here? Amit recalled. He, that means he is a male person. Okay. Manoj, he recalled and said, he is the son of the father of the mother of my daughter. Okay. And again he said, he is. Now, who is this he? Is nothing but Manoj. Okay. Manoj is son of the father of the mother of my daughter. Now, calculate, draw this one first of all. What they're saying, my daughter, start with daughter. I'm saying, suppose I am Amit, feel like I am Amit. Okay, I'm saying my daughter. Okay, he is the son of the father of the mother of my daughter. My daughter's mother, and son of the father of the mother of father. So here the father, son. This is minus and this is plus. This is minus and this is plus. Son. Okay. Okay, done. Now What they're asking? If he's a Manoj, this is Manoj, and I am here. I'm saying this guy, he is son of the father of mother of my daughter. Okay, my daughter's father's son. So how he related to what is Manoj to Amit? Manoj to Amit. So here I am, and this is Manoj. So how related to this person to me? And where I am here, this is my daughter and my daughter's mother. My daughter's mother and me, husband and wife only, right? My daughter's mother is nothing but my wife, right? My wife. My wife's father. Okay, he is nothing but father-in-law for me. Father-in-law, not required of this one. Okay, and his son. That means his son is nothing but my wife's brother, right? My wife's brother. Is it clear? Now, my wife's brother, how related to me? My wife's brother will related to me is nothing but brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. So actually, no need of these. Yeah, no need of this much thing. You can directly say by assuming in your mind first of all, but practice with diagram, family diagram. So family diagram mostly you will useful for direction questions. Okay, not direction questions means, so they will give us some data, full data, and we need to write the family diagram like this. Okay, so up to that, no need of writing the diagram, and just assume that what they are saying. Okay, brother-in-law is the answer. Now, introducing a girl, Vinod said, here Vinod is saying her mother is only daughter of my mother-in-law. Her mother is only daughter of my mother-in-law. How is Vinod related to the girl? Now, say, here's a girl. Sorry, here is a girl. Here is a girl. Okay, and this girl, her mother, is only daughter. Think, I forgot. I think we discussed yesterday. Only son, only daughter of my mother-in-law. Okay, here I am. Okay, here I am. I'm saying my mother-in-law's only daughter. Mother-in-law. In Telugu, mother-in-law means in Telugu. No, wrong answer. Yeah, right answer, Srilakshmi. Yeah, okay. See, mother-in-law, what call in Telugu? Atta. Evari atta? Na wife ki amma. Antena? Mother-in-law ante evaru? Na wife ki valla mother. Na wife valla mother. So only atta aithe auntie antaranamata. Okay, direct atta aithe auntie antaru. Wife valla mother kabatti mother-in-law antaru. సో నేను ఏమని చెప్తున్నాను, ఇంట్రడ్యూసింగ్ ఈ గర్ల్ ని చూపిస్తూ వీళ్ళ మదర్ నా మదర్-ఇన్-లాకి ఒకే ఒక కూతురు అని చెప్పాను. ఓకే, నా మదర్-ఇన్-లాకి ఒకే ఒక కూతురు ఎవరు? నా వైఫ్, రైట్? నా మదర్-ఇన్-లాకి కూతురు అంటే ఏమర్థం? నా వైఫ్ కి మదరే నాకు మదర్-ఇన్-లా, రైట్? నా వైఫ్ కి మదరే నాకు మదర్-ఇన్-లా. అండ్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్, only daughter. Okay, only daughter I'm saying. So only daughter ante evaru? Na wife. Okay, and na wife ki daughter ante evaru? Na wife ki daughter ante na daughter, right? And here they're asking how Vinod related to that girl. So this person, how related to this girl? Is a father. Okay, father. And in the same way, if they ask how girl related to Vinod, what is the answer for that one? How girl related to husband kadamma, father. Okay, Lalitha, father. Now wife or daughter. I am showing here one introducing a girl. I am saying her mother is only daughter of my mother-in-law. వీళ్ళ mother, మా mother-in-law కి daughter. అంటే ఆ daughter, ఈ mother-in-law daughter, నా wife. So here wife. And then he's a daughter. This girl is a daughter of this. So నా wife కి daughter అంటే నా daughter కదా. Like this. So we know the related to girl is nothing but father. And if they ask how the girl related to Vinod. How the girl related to Vinod? Daughter. Okay, super. That's it. Okay. No. No, next one. See. Pointing to an old man, Karim said, his son is my son's uncle. Pointing to an old man, Karim said, his son is my son's uncle. So here, the pointing a old man, they said, that means plus. Karim said here, Karim is saying here, Karim said, his son is my son's uncle. My son's uncle. So uncle means, so uncle, son's uncle, it means see. Okay, son's uncle here. So this son is this guy is uncle for this boy, right? So this boy. So these two are maybe brothers, and his father is nothing but his father. So what they're asking, the old man related to Karim, actually father. And in this question, we cannot say uncle. That means, so if they didn't mention the maternal uncle. See, if the maternal uncle means maternal uncle, so mother's brother will be, and mother's brother, so father's is nothing but father-in-law also will be there. And luckily we don't have a father-in-law option here, so we can go with the father. Otherwise, we cannot determine, we can say. Okay, we cannot determine, we can say here. Okay, right? Is it clear? And then fourth one, Sita told to Malini, the girl I met yesterday in the market was the youngest daughter of the brother-in-law of my friend's mother. How the girl related to Sita's friend. So there, here, who's talking here? Who's saying about this? I entered the thing, Sita. And to Malini, they are saying, and these two are talking with these two are talking about another girl. And the girl Sita met yesterday in the market was youngest daughter of brother-in-law of my friend. Okay, youngest daughter of brother-in-law of my friend. So he's a brother-in-law, it means male. Okay, his father. And this father is related to Sita's friend, is a brother-in-law. Brother-in-law of my friend's mother. Okay.